So guys, this is a really quick video on how to, you can see we have this plot over here, right? But in case if you want to save this plot on your device as a PNG file, JPG file or a PDF, you can also do that without installing any other module or any other library, right? So yeah, I'll just copy this code from here and I'll paste it over here. Okay, so before showing this plot inside this Jupyter notebook or inside the code editor which you are using, we can just write one more line over here, that is plt.save fig. Okay, save fig, and then inside the parenthesis you can just write any file name with the particular extension. For example, if you want to save it as png, you can just write filename.png. Similarly, filename.pdf and whatever you want. Okay, so that's totally in your choice. And for example, I'll just choose this is xkcd style, right? So I'll just write over here xk what yeah xkcd dot png. Okay, so let's go into my directory. You can see we only have this single matplotlib Python file. Okay, let's go into the folder as well. Yeah, now you can see we have only this thing, only the Python file, nothing else, right? So if I run this cell, yeah, now you can see it shows this plot over here. That is because of we wrote plt.show, that's why it is showing over here. And if you go into my directory, now you can see we have this png file skcd. Okay, let's go to the directory. Yeah, you can see we have this png file over here. Let's click on that. Yeah, now you can see it opened that particular plot as an image. For like more clarification, you can just double click on this image. Yeah, now you can see this opened as an image, right? So this overall plot is now saved as an image. Similarly, you can just write .pdf and whatever extension you want basically. Okay, so in this way you can save the plot on your local device.